In FlexVertex, changing data is very similar to other types of databases. But because everything is an object, there are some differences. This unit introduces you to how to properly carry out these operations, while making you aware of special considerations for objects such as connections. Throughout the course, we've been pointing out that all data in FlexVertex is persisted as an object. This includes traditional data objects as well as specialized connection objects that tie these data objects together. We'll discuss changing data for both types of objects next. Updating data objects is a simple task that can be accomplished using either direct SQL statements, one of our APIs, or Voyager. However, it's worth noting that once an object's class is defined, it cannot be altered. On the bright side, if the schema allows it, you can add new properties to these objects. This provides the ability to continually adapt and improve data objects to suit changing requirements. We'll show you some examples shortly. Voyager vastly simplifies the job of working with the distributed, connected data that comprises the FlexVertex data multiverse. Using Voyager, you're free to directly invoke SQL, or make your changes via the languages methods. You'll be able to try out both styles in a moment. If you have any database experience at all, you'll be familiar with the process of issuing SQL commands to change existing records. It's very similar in FlexVertex. The exercises will demonstrate updating a single object as well as updating multiple objects. We'll modify existing properties as well as adding new ones too. Modifying connection objects is very similar to updating data objects. You can use the same languages and APIs, you're not able to change class types, and you're free in some cases to add new properties. Another consideration is that you're not able to disconnect and reattach connection objects. This means that if you want to move a connection, you'll need to create a new one between the two data objects. You now know how to create objects and connect them, as well as make modifications. The next section of this unit shows you how to remove data and connection objects.